You know the feeling when you receive a new package in the mail? Well, nothing compares to the excitement when this massive box arrives at your house with your brand new e-bike from AEX Bros. I went with the new bronze colorway, so enough talking, let's get this thing unboxed. This little case comes with everything you need for the bike, the charger, even a tire pump, as well as a little tool set. Everything you would need to set up the bike. We got everything organized, now we just got to set up the handlebars, the wheel, the light, and the pegs, and we're ready to go. And there it is, the AEX Pro all put together in the all new black and bronze colorway, and it looks so good. The first thing I noticed on this bike is the quality of components have been upgraded even further from what they used to be. Everything from the seat to the way the handlebars are mounted, the chain and the chain guard, the suspension have all gotten a massive upgrade.